Hi, my name is Ivan Morse. I'm a criminal defense attorney. I've been a criminal defense attorney for almost 30 years. Prior to that, I was an Oakland police officer. Now, a lot of my friends who are Oakland policemen ask me how I could ever be a criminal defense lawyer. Well, the fact is, there's really not that much difference between the two. When I was an Oakland policeman, the thing I enjoyed most about that was the ability to help people. As a criminal defense attorney, the thing I enjoy most about that is that I get to help people. So really, they're kind of one of the same thing. It's just that I'm on a little different perspective. Now, today what I want to talk to you about are probation violations. And sometimes you may be accused of a crime, and you may enter a plea of no contest or nolo contendere, which basically means I'm not going to contest the police report, judge, please make a decision, and the judge will find you guilty. Or you may plead guilty to some offense, and it could be a very minor offense. For example, it could be petty theft, or maybe it's something that's a little bit more serious like drunk driving, or it might be something a little more serious like domestic violence. But in any event, you are basically found guilty and you're placed on probation for a period of 3 years. Now, for a misdemeanor case, that's normal. 3 years of court probation, which basically means you're on informal probation, but you have to be of good conduct and you have to obey all laws. But let's say that you're on 3 years of probation and all of a sudden you do something like, let's say that you were accused of petty theft and you were on probation for 3 years for petty theft. And then you got into a fight with your husband, or you got into a fight with your wife, or you got into a fight with your boyfriend or girlfriend, and you end up being arrested while you're on probation. Well, guess what? The district attorney now can violate the terms and conditions of your probation. Now, there's a lot of issues that need to be addressed if you're accused of violating your probation. Not only do you have a new offense that you're going to be looking at, you're also going to be looking at an old offense, and the terms of which you were placed on probation, but now you've been accused of violating the terms of that probation. So what do you do? Well, I've helped lots of people in that situation. I can help you. But let me just give you an example of what you're faced with. Let's say, as an example, that you were convicted of DUI. And it was a first-time DUI. You're placed on probation for a period of 3 years. And a year down the road, you get stopped, and the police officer asks you to take a preliminary alcohol screening test. And you do that, and it comes back with a .04. Well, if you're on probation for DUI, you're not supposed to drive with a measurable amount of alcohol in your system. And a .04 is more alcohol in your system than what you're allowed. So now all of a sudden you have a petition to revoke your probation. Well, the penalty for a first-time DUI is up to 6 months in the county jail. So that means that the court, the judge, if you were found to have violated the terms and conditions of that probation, could actually sentence you up to 6 months in the county jail. And you're not entitled to a jury trial on a probation violation. So, if you are accused of violating probation, give me a call at 828-5307 or visit me at my website, www.ivanmorse.com. I have helped a lot of people in your situation. Thank you and good luck.